Hello everybody, John here with Build Anyways. Hey, so today I wanted to share a project that I just finished up, and as you'll see here in a moment, we're working on custom acrylic wrestling awards that we created for one of our local youth wrestling programs. Now, I've done a couple of different projects, and this is one of the fanciest ones that I've done using acrylic. And honestly, this one was a lot of fun to work on because it just started like most of my projects do. We have an idea in the head, some raw materials laying around in the shop, and or that we ordered, and the challenge of figuring out how to bring it to life. These awards were designed specifically for their team and their athletes, and the goal was to create something that felt a little more meaningful than your typical catalog trophy. Now, something custom, something the kids that actually want to, have around, hanging out in their space, and that they want to keep. Each one was laser engraved, designed around the team's identity, and built to highlight the award titles. So things like the hardest worker, most improved, and best sportsmanship. It's always cool to see these things lined up at the end because what started as just a concept turns into something real that celebrates the effort these athletes put in all season. These kids work their butts off, and they are definitely deserving of something like this to recognize their efforts. Now, one of the things that I really enjoy about this work is the process. So anything from dialing in the engraving settings to testing the layouts and also making sure that the designs look clean and balanced. It's just all part of the process that makes me feel like I'm contributing to something greater than me. But that's just all part of building things. You learn, you tweak, and you keep moving forward until it's right. Honestly, a big reason I share these projects is because the shop is part of a bigger goal for me and my family. Like a lot of people, we've got things that we're working through. And for us, right now, it is including getting out of debt. And one of the ways I'm tackling that is by building this business one project at a time. Now, every award, every sign, every engraving is another step forward. It could be any type of project out there. That is the goal in mind that we're trying to contribute every effort in. I did not set out to be a video editor or a content creator. I have no idea what the hell I'm doing, to be quite frank, but I definitely know it's not an overnight success. It's just showing up, putting in the work, and continuing to build. So if you're a part of a team, club, or an organization that's looking for something custom, it could be awards, plaques, any type of recognition piece. I'd love to help you create something unique for your group. Sometimes I can't even talk. But right now we're handling our orders directly through email and messaging while we continue building out the back end for easier ordering. I'm just one guy. I can only do so much. So if you're open to that and allowing somebody like me to try to handle something like this for you, feel free to reach out. We can put something together for you and get it out the door. And for anybody out there that's also thinking about starting something, it could be building something or chasing a goal. Remember, you don't need everything to be perfect before you start. Use what you have, learn along the way, and most importantly, get out there and build anyways. I appreciate you guys taking a look at this video, and if you have the opportunity to, hop over to Facebook and come and join our Build Anyway group, where I will have kind of some more of the behind the scenes content as you see here in our photos here. It's not always pretty or glamorous, but I do my best to highlight the product behind the scenes, if you will, and see what we can do to stand out. But yeah, hey, anyways, I appreciate you guys once more for taking a look at this video. Remember to follow, like, subscribe, and check me out on all the other platforms. And most importantly, remember, like I said, get out there and build anyways. Start something fun and see what happens.